January 27th, 2021, practice number 3. All right, so we're going to place the following points on the number line along with their opposites. So there we have integers, or their numbers, and their opposite. So the opposite of a positive is a negative. The opposite of a negative is a positive. It's just taking that from 0 and going on either side of opposite sides of the number line. So -4, let's plot -4. So here's -4 over here. The opposite of -4 is going to be +4. So now instead of going -4 from 0, we're going to go +4 from 0. So they are the same distance away from 0, just in opposite directions. Let's take a look at the next one, 2. Let's plot 2. The opposite of 2 is going to be -2, so you can just put -2. So we're going to go -2 away from 0. And there we have it. We have our positive and negative. 6, let's plot 6. The opposite of 6 is going to be -6. So the opposite of a +6 is a -6. So we're going to go to that -6. Again, same distance away from 0. On the other side, just opposite directions. -5, let's plot that -5 here in between there. The opposite of -5 is a +5. So we're going to plot that +5 right there on the 5. All right, -1 is right here. We're going to do the opposite of -1, which is a +1. And +1 is going to be right on one more, a +1 from the 0. And that's going to be it for our practice number 3. Great job.